with y'all, Ethan from JEP Productions, man. And before I go any further, make sure y'all hit that like button and subscribe button, man. So today we're gonna be cleaning these Vans up, full restoration, man. We're gonna be needing a hard bristle brush for these midsoles, all-purpose brush for the uppers, and your sneaker cleaner. This is a homemade formula, but yeah. So make sure y'all wear a mask and you guys wear gloves. Y'all check it out, bro.
Mask on, fuck it, mask on, mask on, fuck it, mask on.
So we're gonna be staying like really away from it, cause you know I'm not trying to get fucking dirt in my face while I'm cleaning the shoe. So I'm just gonna spray some of that cleaner on that. Make sure you don't brush too hard, because that's just gonna go right in your face. That's why you're wearing the mask. Alright, so when we got it like relatively white, we're gonna get our all-purpose brush and start brushing that shit. Alright. Remove these laces right quick. Alright, so now get your brush, get your cleaner, apply the cleaner onto here, and brush away. After you're done brushing with the all-purpose brush, get your suede brush and go over it. For this area, we're just going to apply the cleaner. Brush away. So here's a quick method on how to remove all of this cleaner out of your outsole. Alright, so all you gotta do is put a little paper towel on the floor. Get your shoe and just hit your shoe flat on the ground. Oh, my outsole is totally clean now. And you can see all that dirt and grime from the shoe. Alright, last part of this tutorial, I'm going to be turning this black stripe back into white, because it used to be just a regular old school, but I turned it black and I ended up didn't liking it, so yeah, turn it back. So now we're done making the stripe white again, and now I'm going to focus on rejuvenating the suede on these. If you can see on the camera, like this suede is like really hard now, and it's not changing colors. What we'll need is some baby oil and a toothbrush. So all we're gonna do is put the baby oil on your toothbrush and just start applying it in circular motions. So yeah. Alright, last step that needs to be done. Get the laces, throw them in the washer with any dirty clothes, and we'll be good.
It's Leaky Boy on this thing, yo. Shout out all my brothers, NBO. Hey, yeah, we all in.
Only nigga stopping me is me, and I'm unstoppable. If you think you ever stopping me, then I'm dropping you. And all you social thugs, if I catch you, boy, I'm socking you. And if you think you with that gunplay, then I'm popping, dude. Niggas all up in my comments, throwing shade, knowing damn well you niggas don't wanna catch this face, so knock it off. If you really about that action, don't talk. You niggas mad, I found a way, and all you niggas is lost. And for these bitches, please stop.
Catch y'all later, bro.
Catch me outside, how about that?
Yeah. Oh yeah. I'll catch y'all later, little bros. Yeah.
And we is out.